Good morning. Today we are going to conduct the refraction of light through the glass slab. So the things we require for the experiments is, first one, we need a glass slab which is a rectangular shape. We need the drawing board, then drawing sheet and the pin in order to see the refracted ray. Okay. So first we had to draw the margin for the glass slab. Then we had to take one normal on this side. Normal is what? It is the any point from which perpendicular is drawn on the surface is called as normal. So that angle we have drawn is of 90 degree. Okay, this angle is of 90 degree, that means this is the normal. And here we have taken the angle of incident and which is of 45 degree. So 45 degree when we took here, so we had to draw the line, and here we have to take 2 points, point P1 and P2. On P1 and P2 we have to pin that all pins over here in order to see their image to opposite side of the glass slab. So after completion of this, we had to place the glass slab as it was drawn before, its margin. So we had to use 2 pins in order to form the straight line, because अगर दो पिन रहेंगे तो 2 पॉइंट मिलेंगे, and if we will have 2 point then we can draw the straight line passes through this point P1 and P2. Okay, so here we have the 2 points. Okay, and now we have to see their image in this particular side. Okay, in a straight line, and we have already found 2 points over here. It is P1 dash, it is P1, so it is its image which is P1 dash, and it is P2 dash. This point is P2 and its image is formed over here, it is P2 dash. Okay, then we have to draw the line passing through the P1 dash and P2 dash, and we have to draw one more normal over here. Okay, so this will be the normal 2. So now we have gone through that and just checked their angle of refraction here. So for 45 it is angle of refraction is 28 degree, and at normal 2 where incident angle is 28 and refraction angle will be 45 degree. Okay, so this is the way we have to complete our experiment. So now here I have completed this experiment. Now students are going to perform the experiment for their own. Okay, so हैदराबाद में ना इतना इंग्लिश में बोलना सिखाते हैं. मेहनत करें हम, अच्छी करें. कर देना.